Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Our today topic is that is amazing for you and that is very best for your skin, for your aged skin, for mature skin, looks younger. So there's nothing quite like a homemade body scrub to treat dry skin. Sure, you can splurge on fancy exfoliants and there's nothing wrong with that. But there is something satisfying about crafting your own bespoke homemade plant. Whether the goal is to help boost circulation, exfoliate away dead skin before you apply self tanner, or just improve the overall look and feel of your skin, and doing all of this on a budget is just the icing on the cake. Below we sourced delicious recipes to serve various skin needs from some of the favorite skincare expert. Number 1 for today's remedy is anti-aging strawberry scrub. According to Tara Pellerate, co-founder of Mew Tweed, this scrub is great for combating skin degradation from premature aging. A beautiful and yummy at-home scrub for aging skin is pureed strawberries. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help fight free radicals and boost collagen production. Strawberries also contain AHA exfoliating acid, so this makes for an effective but gentle armpit exfoliator to give your natural deodorant an extra boost. Adding combination of ground oats is soothing, and coconut milk is a good place to start for hydration. The key ingredients: vitamin C is an essential nutrient required for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of the body, including the skin, but we cannot produce it on our own for the skin. It helps boost collagen, lighten discoloration, and fight free radicals. The ingredients we are using in this homemade remedy are raw sugar, the quantity is 1 cup. Coconut oil, quantity is 1/4 cup. Ground or even whole oats, quantity is 1/4 cup. Pureed strawberries, quantity is 1/4 cup. You can also smoosh using the back of a fork. How can we made it? Mix all the ingredients in a well manner way, and now apply it on your face and your hands, and for your neck, and even on your feet too. Put it for 15 minutes and in the meanwhile rubbing your face, and after 20 minutes, because this is the best scrub, and when you are rubbing your skin in a gentle way, it removes the dead skin cells of the face and for your skin. So after 20 minutes, remove it with the normal water. It will helpful for you, I think, I hope, inshallah. So please stay with me and share this video for your friends, and if you're new in my channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.